Hey guys, my name is Jocelyn, and for today's video I'm going to be making a DIY. I'm going to be making a sunshine gift box for my friend's birthday. She's going to be 20 in a couple days, so I decided to make her this real quick. So you need a box, and I'm just using this shoe box, and I don't like the box like this, so I'm going to be wrapping it with this marble wrapping paper. So everything you're going to be putting inside the box is going to be yellow. So for the first thing I got her this M&M's, these yellow peeps, and then I got her this candle. It says energy on it. These yellow Sour Patch. So I got her these ring pops. I don't know if she likes them, but they're yellow, so I got them for her. She's going to be traveling a lot soon. I got her these. I got these both from Amazon, and I know she's going to be traveling a lot soon, so I know that these will come in handy and she'll love these. So this is just for the luggages. So for like the tags to put on the luggages. And then for this one, it's for your passport and like the ticket and like your ID and money and shit like that. And then since I went to Las Vegas a couple days ago, I decided to get her a souvenir. And I just got her this Las Vegas lighter. It says Las Vegas on it. And then I got her this keychain. It's just a sunflower, but then when you open it up, it says you are my sunshine. And then for the last thing I got her, they're these like pre-roll cones for her to smoke with, and they're like sunflower, like real cute pattern. I also got this yellow shredded paper. So that's all I'm going to be putting inside the box. Now let's get into making it. I'm just going to be wrapping up the box in this marble wrapping paper, and if you're wondering, I got the wrapping paper from Target. So now I'm just going to be putting everything inside the box. I also ended up buying this yellow Gatorade, and I'm just going to be putting that inside the box as well. On a white piece of paper, I wrote, "May your birthday be filled with sunshine," and I'm just going to be cutting that out and putting that inside the box. You can also type this up in a cool font and print it out, but my printer wasn't working, so this was my only option. And now I'm just going to be decorating the top of the lid. So I use this hot glue gun, and I'm just going to be sticking on the sunflowers on the box. And I also found these other flowers that I'm going to be putting. I'm just going to be putting those on the corners of the sunflowers. And if you're wondering where I got these fake flowers at, I got them both from Walmart. On a white piece of paper, I wrote "Happy Birthday," and then I put it behind a black piece of paper, and then I grabbed some yellow piece of paper that I had, and I cut out the numbers 20, and I'm just going to be gluing that on the paper. And now I'm just going to be gluing that paper onto the box, and I used hot glue for everything. I tried using like tape for the flowers because I couldn't find any hot glue sticks. So this is how the box looks like when it's closed. And you can see like the sunflowers here, and you can't really close it all the way. but that's okay. And then when you open it, this is how it looks. It looks so cute.
Out the coupe in the lot, 12 fuck SWAT, busting all the bells out the box. Hit the lick.